Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 low competition, high demand KDP niches that you can get started with starting from today. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, we do daily videos here on the channel talking about passive income streams, including working on Amazon KDP, as well as Redbubble, print on demand, and other print on demand platforms, or writing to earn money using Vocal and Medium. So if you're interested in passive income streams and income reveals, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. So the first keyword for the day, we're going to talk about 3 KDP keywords. The first keyword is surprising, and it is employee timesheet, and it has a keyword niche score of 48 and a total results of 1,689. Now, the average bestseller rank for this niche is under 300,000, which is ideal. It is sitting at an average of a bestseller of 209 and 629,000, and it has an average price of $2.05, a little bit on the lower side, but I do understand when some of the independent publishers do price their items quite low in order to be competitive, in order to break the competition. But to be honest, this is not the right strategy, and I've talked about it before, but then this is for another video about pricing your low content books the right price in order to get the revenue in order to also not to break the market, as in like affect other sellers as well. So we're going to talk about that later on in regards to the right pricing. But let's get back to the keyword for the day, which is employee timesheet, and it has also a keyword niche score of 7. Now, we are using both Chrome extensions, Self-Publishing Titans, which gives us a beautiful overview of the keyword, as well as Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is free to use, and it gives us a keyword score of 7, categorizing this niche as a nice niche. So just scroll down to the page and avoid the ones that are sponsored. Usually they are in the first line or two. Now, this is not sponsored yet. It is still selling well, but it is not KDP. It is not Amazon KDP like independent sold. This one is Amazon KDP right here, weekly timesheet logbook, and it has employee timesheet logbook right here in the subtitles as well, and it is currently selling for $6.99, and it has a beautiful bestseller rank of 22,705. So congratulations to this seller right over here. Livzat Kalisa has managed to create a simplistic, minimalistic timesheet, and also rank higher as well for that. And other books are also ranking quite well. Now let's see if we can find other KDP independently published books. Yes, right over here we have the whole row, $6.99, $4.47, and also surprisingly the ones that are priced at $6.99 are selling much more better than the ones that are priced much more lower, thus supporting my theory of it is better to price at the medium price, such as $6.99 or $7.99, because it gives a perceived value to your item. When you price your item much more lower, it gives the impression to customers that the item is quite cheap, it's low quality, and it is quite bad. Not saying that it is, but this is the impression, the main impression that customers get when you do price your items as being quite low. Apart from that, there are other books that are also selling quite well right over here around the employee timesheet. So I highly recommend you get started on this niche, employee timesheet, and don't be too intimidated by the total results of 1,689, although they are quite high, above the 1,000 recommendation that I would like to go through. Yet all the other indicators, such as bestseller rank, the price, the keyword niche score on both ends of the 2 Chrome extensions, indicate that this is a profitable niche. So first keyword, employee timesheet. We're heading to the second keyword for the day, which is the remote learning planner, and we have a beautiful keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans sitting at 49, and the total results is under 1000, which is ideal. The total results for the keyword remote learning planner is 687. The bestseller rank is also quite ideal, which is under 300,000, and it is currently at 208,806. And also the average price is quite good as well, sitting at $7.30. So this is another planner that I would also like to embark on, and I highly advise you to do the same as well. Now you could also niche down to remote learning planner for students, remote learning planner handbook, remote learning planner hacks. Also, if you want to create an informative ebook style book as well, or maybe like a 30 or 40 pages filled with like hacks, but like in bigger font, just to give that added value, and also to niche down and to create a series. For example, if you've got a remote learning planner, that's a planner, then you have a remote learning logbook, remote learning timesheet, remote learning hacks. These kind of things all can be as part of a series, and they will sell individually really, really good and market for each other as well that way. So that's just something that you can also get started with to add that perceived value and to also create consistent daily sales. The third and the final keyword for the day is daily childcare register logbook, and this is a very simple logbook style timesheet record book. So the total results for this niche, although they are over 1000 by 66, sitting at a total results of 1066. They are quite ideal because of the other indicators as well. So the daily childcare register logbook has a keyword niche score of 46 by self-publishing titans, and Amazon Scout Pro gave it a number 7, categorizing it as a nice niche. It does have a quite high bestseller rank, but I wouldn't be too intimidated with it because there are books under this niche that are selling quite well. So what do you need to do? You need to create a logbook that's daily, that records the attendance, for example, for childcare, attendance for the employees and attendance for the parents as well. And you could also niche down to, ages and that kind of stuff. So or you can make it super minimalistic and super basic, and it will still sell as well. You can also market it using Pinterest, using free marketing methods that I've discussed here on the channel. So there are books that are ranking as well for this keyword. For example, this one's a weekly timesheet, yet they have managed to include this keyword daily childcare register logbook into their 7 keyword slots, and this is why this is ranking. I cannot see it neither in the title nor in the subtitle as well. So this is something that you could also embark on. It's a super easy way to create, and there are a lot of interiors on Creative Fabrica for daily childcare register logbook. So we've discussed 3 low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords for the day, starting with employee timesheet. Second, we have remote learning planner, and thirdly, the daily childcare register logbook. And if you're interested in more videos such as these, where we break down the KDP keywords, analyze them in terms of profitability, give you suggestions for adding extra value as well, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.